Hey Glam Squad, it's Jamie, the owner of Glam Rental, back with another video, and I just wanted to take you guys along with me again to go do a balloon garland. This is for a cigars and cognac surprise party for this lady's fiance. So I'm going to show you guys the balloons, if you can see. I have tons of balloons back here, black, white, and gold. I'm actually trying to stall right now because she is not there yet at the event space. So I'm about to head out in a little bit. I just wanted to do another watch me work video so you guys can see how I put together a balloon garland for a party. So I'm going to head out and then I will see you guys once I get there. Okay, so I'm here. I'm about to go in and see where I'm supposed to set up and everything.
You know you got it bad and tryna hide it. Breaking an hourglass is perfect timing. You're the one and I found you. Want you in my life. You the one. The way that you catch in my eyes and I'm catching your vibes is a show. I will pull up on you, but somebody like you ain't alone. I know how this goes, but you're the type to make me wanna risk it all. And I know we're just meeting, but I need you, and I'm hoping I can see you again. Let me know when you're leaving, we can pretend we could be more than friends. You know you got it bad and tryna hide it. Breaking an hourglass is perfect timing.
Sitting in silence, we still feel the vibe, and you could not say a word, and I know what you just decided. We'd be right in the same wave. Oh, the water's perfect, babe. The heat is rising, the time is melting from my fingertips. So nothing compares to this. Nothing ever will compare to this. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. You and I making fire, I can take
'cause I've been stuck in my feelings these days. I've been up in my bedroom nowadays. Even with the sun shining so bright, I wait till stars come at night, so I could dream about you tonight. Truth is, I'm a little bit hesitant to hit you up. I get more scared as a damn grown up. This ain't a hookup, we could just burn up. I feel you so close up. I'm so sorry if I close up the
truth is, I just wanna truth is, I just wanna Some people have to say how they want you to take the next 10 steps of your day. Some people wanna tell you what they want you to do, but I'ma live my life. Why don't you just live yours? Whoa, 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 whoa. I'ma tell you push through, push through. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'ma tell you push through you. I'ma tell you push through you.
Some people will never see everything that you are, building yourself up to be, from the earth to the stars. And if you stand in my way, your words will mean nothing, no. You cannot hold up my rocket from going where it's gonna go.
I'ma tell you push through, push through. I'ma tell you push through you. 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 I'ma tell you push through you.
I know we lack communication, but you've been locked in for a while, a lot of days spent doing your thing so you can make it to those places. Get to the level we all know that you can take it. And you might wonder if it's worth it. It's not a question cause you're special, you deserve it. And at the end of the day, you still got this time to live. This is only the beginning, let's enjoy it to the end. Though sometimes inside you feel empty, we can make it right if you with me. So tonight we'll light up this city, hoping to find the time that we're missing. I hope we find this time that we're missing. Yeah. So let's set the vibration and make the rhythm feel like mental vacation. Yeah, destination to come with a little patience. We slow it down but never stop acceleration. No hesitation. Time and place, clock don't stop, no time to waste. I know you always worry about the minor things, but I got what you need to give your mind a break. Though sometimes inside you feel empty, we can make it right if you with me. So tonight we'll light up this city, hoping to find the time that we're missing. I hope we find this time that we're missing. Yeah, I hope we find it.
Picnic with my best friends. We start to plan what we will do. Now life's back in color and everything's feeling brand new. Well, I read that the French always say what's on their mind, leaving lipstick stains on tall glasses of wine. Practically invented being nonchalant for fun. They tear apart Voltaire just like afternoon croissants, strolling over bridges that were built in Renaissance. Isn't that what every romance loving 20-something woman wants? Midnight in Paris, I've always heard there's magic in the air as you're watching people dance by sand. Midnight in Paris, oh what a feeling. Steps on cobblestones, thinking this must be La Vie en Rose. Maybe I'll get a place that's right across the Notre Dame. The roof will be leaking, but I'll be as happy as they come. Well, I read that the French always say what's on their mind, leaving lipstick stains on tall glasses of wine. Practically invented being nonchalant for fun. They tear apart Voltaire just like afternoon croissants, strolling over bridges that were built in Renaissance. Isn't that what every romance loving 20-something woman wants? Midnight in I've always heard there's magic in the air as you're watching people dance by sand. Midnight in Paris, oh what a feeling. Steps on cobblestones, thinking this must be La Vie en Rose. Midnight in Paris, I've always heard there's magic in the air as you're watching people dance by sand. Midnight in Paris, oh what a feeling. Steps on cobblestones, thinking this must be love.
All right, Glam Squad, I'm on my way home. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more from me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below.
Then turn left.
This navigation is so rude. Go ahead and leave a comment below letting me know what other videos you would like to see from me, and I will see you guys in the next video.